Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix 007 first light compatibility warning. So here's what you want to do. It means that your graphics driver is older than what is required for the game. So to update it, you can check first whichever driver you're using. Go to search, type in device manager. Once it opens, you want to click on display adapters, and then you'll find what driver you're using. So you want to copy this. You want to open a new Google tab, type in here, type in your graphics and then driver, and you want to click the first link, accept this. And now you want to type your graphics again, and you want to put Windows version you're using, and then click find. And there will be two versions, the studio ready driver or game ready driver. In this case, because we're playing the game, we need the game ready drivers. Click view, and now click download. If you don't have already the NVIDIA app, you can download it. And after you download the driver, you can open the NVIDIA app, go to drivers, and then click download, and it will install the latest driver. Now what you can do also is go to system, go to G-Sync, and make sure that this is switched to off, and go to settings, and you want to disable the NVIDIA overlay if it's turned on. After you've done all of that, you should restart your PC and your game should work properly. That's it for this video. That's how you fix 007 first light compatibility warning. Hopefully this video helped you guys. Like, subscribe, comment down below. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.